Hey, nature enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive deep into the secrets of one of the Amazon's most formidable predators? Yes, I'm talking about the giant anaconda. The anaconda, often shrouded in myth, is not just a creature of folklore, it's real and it's spectacular. Now imagine a creature so massive that it weighs more than 100 pounds per foot. That's our giant anaconda for you. First off, did you know that the anaconda is considered the heaviest snake in the world? These colossal snakes can grow up to an astonishing 30 feet in length. That's as long as a school bus. And with their incredible size, anacondas are a force to reckon with in their natural habitat. Now let's talk about their hunting skills. Anacondas are ambush predators. They are experts at camouflage and can remain submerged in water, almost completely hidden, for hours on end. This stealth mode is crucial as they wait for the perfect moment to strike. Their method? It's quite a spectacle. Anacondas do not use venom to subdue their prey. Instead, they use their powerful bodies to constrict. Once they have a firm grip, there's no escape. They can devour anything from fish to caimans, and even jaguars. What's even more fascinating is how these giants reproduce. Anacondas are ovoviviparous, which means the females give birth to live young. During the mating season, several males might compete for a single female, forming what's known as a breeding ball. Living in the lush, dense Amazon forests, these snakes play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help control the population of other species, which maintains a balance in the food web. So, the next time you hear a tale or see a depiction of an anaconda, remember, there's more to these magnificent creatures than just the legends. They are an integral part of our natural world, embodying the wild, untamed spirit of the Amazon. Thanks for joining me on this wild journey into the life of the giant anaconda. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.